The Canterbury Under-20 AFL side today were keeping their prized silverware close by after winning it in a hard-fought tournament last weekend.
It was an NPC competition up in Wellington for Aussie Rules. There is Auckland, Wellington and the New Zealand Under-16s basically, so same as the rugby NPC, just a big competition where all the provinces put in together and try and win a tournament really.
The squad of 19 players went undefeated throughout the weekend, achieving a first for a Canterbury AFL side.
And it was the first time Canterbury's ever won an NPC in the senior and junior competition, so we're pretty proud of them.
The feat was made even more remarkable considering the team only had one warm-up match prior to the tournament.
No, but that's part and parcel of playing, I guess, Aussie Rules in New Zealand, let alone Christchurch.
And clearly a lack of warm-up matches did little to dampen team spirit.
Whenever we got a goal, we would always cheer each other. And you notice in the other teams, whenever they kicked a goal or got it behind, only one person, tapped them on the back, good on you, mate. But when, say, one of our boys got it behind or a goal, all of us would go up to him and say, yeah, good on you, and you'd get the woohoo! We were fully behind each other, 100%, we trusted each other, we had that great team morale.
And with the silverware firmly in their grasp, it's not surprising the team are already looking forward to next year's competition, with a number of the team planning to return.
I'm guessing about 3/4. Well, we're a fairly young team, so yeah, hopefully we recuperate most of the lads and go hard again next year.
And one thing that has to be asked of an Aussie Rules team, how many players in the side carry Australian passports?
No, none. But we have some older Australians that play in the local competition, but none in the representative team at all.
Certainly proving you don't have to be Australian to enjoy or succeed at Aussie Rules.